I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. And remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
The 2008 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, CD changer, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.